Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Amazon Shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the second option here. After doing so, you should look in the top of your right corner and there you will find a flag, and right next to it two letters. Press on that. And after the new page loads in, here you should select the second option, which is language. And you can see that by default it is set to English. And if you press on it, you can change here to most of the well-known languages that are in this app. Now, of course, it's a little bit limited. And if you don't find here your mother tongue, then in my opinion, it's easier to just leave in the default, basically in English. Unless of course you know a secondary language a little bit better than English. And you can just like I said, if you know a language here, you should just press on it, like Spanish for example, and you can see that the app will be changed to Spanish. And after that you have to just press, in this case you can see finalizado in the top of your, in the bottom of your screen. And after you press on that, you wait a little bit until the app refreshes, and you can see that the entire app is in Spanish now. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.